Hey, what's going on, guys? I hope you're having a solid day so far. I hope it was pretty good. I hope it was great, actually. Mine was pretty good. It was definitely a long day, but you've joined me now for another unboxing. So without any further ado, I'm gonna bring to you a really good budget phone. Well, I'm not sure if it's good yet, but it's definitely a budget phone. And we're gonna take a look at it right now. So let me just cut open the box and see what's inside. Okay guys, we have a device right here, and what it looks to be called is the Vivo X6 right here. As you can see, it says blue smartphones unlocked and ready to use. Ready. Attention, before you return this product, please call us. Okay, so they're trying to make an effort to keep their customers happy, which is kind of cool. You can see right here, we're getting some IMEI information. This thing has all the LG bands right here. Man, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 4, 5, 7, 12, 17, 28A, and 28B. So let's go ahead on the back and take a look at the specs. It's the blue Vivo X6 6.1 HD Plus Infinity Display Octa-Core 1.6 gigahertz, dual cameras, 13 megapixel depth sensor, 13 megapixel selfie camera, a 64 gigabytes of internal storage, plus 33 gigabytes of RAM, which is the memory. Internal memory is here. This is storage. You get the fingerprint sensor, and you got Android 9.0 Pie coming right out of the box for only $100. So I'm gonna crack open the seal on this box, and make sure you guys stay locked in with me. But let's just go ahead and pop that off and open this up. And I'm actually gonna get my SIM card right here ready, so we can just have that like on deck. Okay, so that's there. For when we boot up the phone, we're gonna be able to get some service in it. So let's just see what comes in the box. We do have a really light phone. This thing feels feather light. Is this a removable battery? Because this thing is light as a feather. It's really, really light. It's almost like I don't even have anything in my hand right now. Let me put it right off to the side. Just drop that down. You can see you get the 4,000 milliamp super 4,000 milliamp hour battery. They had to put the super in there, which is cool. So let's go ahead and lift open the top and see what else comes inside of here. Okay, we have a cable cord, which is USB, which kind of sucks, but it's $99 phone, so I wasn't really expecting anything more. We do get a power brick right here as well included. What else comes in here? We do get headphones. Blue always provides headphones. Let's see what these ones look like. Okay, so these are earbuds with the tips, which look pretty cool, and they also have play and pause with a microphone here. So let me just put all of that right off to the side. And what's pretty cool is that they're gonna give us a couple of different accessories. So now that we have those two screen protectors, we could put those back in the box, because I'm probably gonna leave those off to the side for now. Now let's take a look at this battery that they did include, the 3,960 milliamp hour battery, along with a really nice, this is probably one of the best cases that Blue ever offered inside of their package. So you can see this has a really nice carbon fiber look to it. You can see right here, it's made of some TPU material, but this is definitely premium stuff here. So this case will last a very long time. You see it has the blue emblem right there. You do have your cutouts at the bottom and at the top with some grip to hold on to it. But let me just go ahead and put this right off to the side and peel off this top sticker. I'm gonna put this in the box. For some reason I always keep everything out the way it is, and just in case I want to return it. But let me just see. This thing actually looks pretty cool. You have the blue design on here. It does have two cameras, which look pretty cool, a depth sensor and another camera on the back, which is going to be your well, it's a 13 megapixel camera with a depth sensor. So let me just find my way around this thing. You can see there's nothing on the left side. It's all clean. On the top, you do get a headphone jack. You can see that the cameras protrude out a little bit. Let's put this thing on the flat surface and seeing we're not getting any rockage. So there's no rockage even though those cameras are protruding out, which I definitely think is pretty cool. Now we do get a bottom firing or a rear firing speaker. You're getting a gradient of purple to blue, which kind of looks really good. And you can see right here, it looks all blue in this image. But when I turn it to this camera, you can see that purple tint at the top. But you can see we do get our volume rockers as well as a power button right beneath it. And what I do like is, well, there's already a screen protector already on here, which I do feel. So they give you like one already on the phone plus additional one in the box, plus a tempered glass as well too. So you can actually pop the top, or the back in this case, off of it. So look at here, we do have the fingerprint dual SIMs, 1, 2, plus a micro SD4 expansion. So I think that's pretty cool. You could also see the speakers right there, and the build on this thing is really nice. Let's throw the battery inside of here and let's just get started, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop this right back on here. So let's go ahead, power this on. And this is a $99 phone. It says Blue smartphone powered by Android. It's $99. Has a nice design. Right here it says Blue products. Model is the Vivo X6. And that speaker sounded decent. It says design in Miami. AI camera right here, which is definitely cool. Kind of reminds me of the Y7 2019, the way they like made that look. But you can see it says hi there. You do have the case right here, which definitely is gonna be really nice. I'd hate to cover it up, but this is a really rugged case, and it's probably the best case I've seen Blue offer in their packaging. So what I'll do is go ahead and remove the SIM and pop it in, and then we'll power it on, give it some juice. Take a look at the software and interface of this thing, and then we'll close out the video. Oh yeah, I forgot this thing was removable. So let me just you have to actually put the SIM card in through the back, which is the only thing that sucks. But let's pop that open. Now let's put my SIM card in SIM 1, which is going to be located on the right hand side of the device. You can see right here, it's my Cricket SIM, and we're gonna just throw that in there all the way into the back, and then just pop the back on there. You're getting a gradient finish plastic build. Now the phone has some weight to it. It kind of has some weight to it now. Before it felt like a feather. But this is gonna be the startup menu. You also get visual settings, emergency calls. It gives you a hi there, which you're greeted with, and something about privacy. It says accept right here. It also gives us mobile setup. So you could already see we have 4G right at the top, and it says right here your phone will use mobile data for setup, and you will be charged for that data. But let's just go ahead and click next. So we are getting 4G LTE at the top. Let me know what kind of videos you want me to do on this device and everything like that. But right now it's just checking for system updates. Let me throw the case on here. I kind of want to see how that fits. 1, 2, and 3. Well, that looks sick. That looks nuts. That looks dope. So you can still see the gradient finish in the back of it. And that's how it looks with the case on it. Wow, that looks really good. That looks like a really nice phone. That looks really solid right there. It says right here, checking for updates taking too long. Try going back and connecting to the network, a different network. Let's skip this actually, continue. And then we'll wrap up the video, but okay, I locked it, so I gotta start over. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there we go. Next. And now it's just saying it's gonna set it up. It says right here, privacy. We'll just click next. Are you sure you wanna? Yes. No, I don't want to get signed up for emails. Let's just go to this channel real quick. Watch videos in 720.
You can see I did actually peel that off already.
And the last thing I want to do is just go into the camera interface and see how good the cameras are of this device, which is going to be pretty cool. It says start with geotagging. So I always like to have that just so I can know where I took a picture just in case I forgot. But you got professional, photo, video. You do have settings up here. You do have video, which will also give you 1080p fine, 720, 480, and a little bit lower. And some other, let's take a photo. I'm gonna take a selfie real quick of my face on this device. All right, that looks good in the viewfinder. Let me just show you how that came out right here. Actually pretty decent. It's a little bit low light in here, so it's a little bit fuzzy, but it actually did pretty good for the selfies. Let's take a picture of this bottle right here. So let's hit that. And that wasn't too bad at all. Let's check it, zoom in. Some good lines right here, good detail. Nice detail there. So not too bad whatsoever, but we're gonna do some more testing with this thing. Let's test out wallpapers, just to see what wallpapers come on this thing. Okay, so some, not the best ones I've ever seen in the world. Let's go to the icons and just mess around with the Gboard. Okay, so you're getting these emojis right here, which all look really good as well. Oh wow, there's like a cookie one. I never seen that one. They got beer. This is like my favorite one, the beer, the cookie. Oh, they got the whiskey one now. Okay, so there's some good emojis right here. My favorite ones to use are the I like this one right here. All these like finger actions, which are pretty cool. This is like my favorite one. And then the 100% symbol is down there as well. Let me just see if I can find it. Here it is. 100%. Yeah, so we got all of our emojis on deck. But make sure you guys stay locked in. We have GIFs as well, or GIFs, depending on how you pronounce it. I'm not going to make you say it the way I say it because that's stupid. Everyone has their own way of saying things. But make sure you guys stay locked in for more videos just like this. And I'll check you guys out on the next video. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending where you are, have a great night. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe and get notified for more future videos just like this. But it's your boy Serrano, and I'll check you guys later. Peace.